It is entirely too cold here today, so I'm gonna stay in and maybe I don't know, do a video because I'm not going out there. I'm just too old for this weather. 'Cause it's a bitter, bitter pill that I need to swallow, swallow still. Can't believe that this is real. To be going on without you gives me a chill. I did want to show a few things like how I incorporate jewelry into the modern like clothing of today, because a lot of people think that vintage jewelry can't be worn with modern clothes. But for me, the vintage look is always, you know, just a very elegant touch to the more modern fashions. But something like this Miriam Haskell earring, and it goes so great with this outfit. It's more of like a modern open knit sweater, but these earrings just, I don't know, they really just stand out so much. And I don't know, I think they look great. I found these Miriam Haskells at my local thrift store for $2. So how can I not love them? So there's lots of people who don't like chunky earrings or something, or vintage earrings, and they don't want to wear clip earrings. So they're not for this look. I mean, this might just not be for a lot of people. Honestly, this look right here isn't exactly for me on this outfit. But I do like to take clip earrings and style them in my hair, on my buns, and in like my hats and berets. I love taking clip earrings and doing that. So while it looks beautiful here too, if this isn't your style, you don't have to just like throw your vintage jewelry out the door. You can still wear it in so many different ways, and it can be beautiful and modern at the same time. I don't care about the fact that I don't belong here, and every time I close my eyes, still it's hardwired. Oh, this is hardwired. Caught me out of the blue. Said I don't care what they do. I will be During the winter, I am a clip earring and brooch freak. And on my scarves is, you could do a brooch here, but since I'm showing that you can do clip earrings different ways, this is one clip earring and then two on the side. And I love scarves. So I think putting them on a scarf in so many different ways is just so beautiful. If you're just not a clip earring person, there's so many things you can do with them. Look at that. Tell me that's not so pretty. Look how sparkly. So if you like to wear your scarf a little bit more traditionally, just like wrapped around like this, and you're like, well, where am I gonna put it? Right here. You can put it right here. What I would not do is use dangle earrings, because you kind of, with the clip earrings, right? Because you kind of have to make them go to the side a little bit, and dangles are gonna hang weird. So you might not want to use your dangle clips for this. This is more of a hair thing, but these little half moon ones and stuff are so good to put right here and decorate that. And if you have like a pea coat or something you're putting on with it, it would show through right there. It looks so good. This is a pair of Eisenbergs that I think just would look so good peeking through my coat. I don't know. I'm already, I don't know, feeling like I need to go out in the cold weather now. Nah, I'm not feeling it that much. So this one feels a little bit more 80s-ish, but yeah, these are just clip earrings. 3 different clip earrings. Good without it, good with it. Just however you're feeling. I think I get a bit addicted. I hope you all enjoyed this, and now the only thing holding you back is your imagination. So have fun.
Bye. Bye. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark. Glowing in the dark.